My name is Joshua. I'm a system administrator, and rating ClickUp 1 to 5, I'll give ClickUp 5. And for more reviews like this, please click on the link below. I integrated ClickUp in my domain environment so that my developers can actually record ticket support, and we can track from opening ticket to closing ticket to resolution. And also, ClickUp is also fantastic in terms of um, reporting. You want to know how frequently issues come in and particular issues and how they have been resolved, and the timing also to resolution. So if you're looking for an ITSM for actual um, IT support service, I think ClickUp is the way. What I love most about ClickUp is from opening a new task, right? When you have a task which opens a ticket, then the movement of tasks between opening stages to progress to completed to review, because the moment tickets have been closed, we have to review and see how the ticket has been closed, the resolution, what was the solution, and that is in the review part. And absolutely, the last part is the rejection, which means if a ticket has been resolved, it is easier for the user to reject, and it is also easier for the line manager to view whatever has been sent over for approval and rejection in terms of ticket opening and ticket closing. So the movement between these stages is a lot more easier because you just drag from open to close to reject to block to accept. And so the movement is so easy, and that's what I like about ClickUp. So one thing I would change about ClickUp is the fact that you should be able to limit the numbers of entries. You should be able to restrict the number of entries a user can build, because um, developers can actually create false tickets, right? So you should have a limit to tickets that an individual can open up on their own. So let's say you can just open like 5 tickets a day. You can open 3 tickets a day, but maximum 3 tickets is fine. So people have access to open much more tickets and just put anything on it. And in reporting, it's going to cause a whole lot of trouble in getting the actual tickets that comes in and the actual ticket that was created by a first line support or a second line support responder to issue. Thank you.